So the boss give me 1.2, you know. And we not give them. Yeah, take the wheel and keep the money. Anything you say, oh my God? Yeah, man. Yo, me say, I'm ready for them, you know. So what you say? You know what there? Yeah, man, I know exactly what them there, you know. Oh. Ready, no man, there. Go. Move, man.
Yo, Dada, what happened?
Say, look, that car follow me, G.
Looks up at you. Yo, last time, boy.
Last.
Whoa. Yo, lift up the machine.
No. Boy, you're pulling.
Oh! Come on, baby. West side vehicle. Yo, step on the man. Quicker than that. Yo, west side vehicle. What? That is man, so. What is? What? Come on there. Make the car. Yeah, man. Bring me on the board.
So no deal with ghetto youth at the time, man. Drive on the road now. That police, man. And I'm vanting this money I talk about, brother.
Yo, Dada. Something right about this, you know.
Brother, I'm gonna say it, brother. Just do one up, come on.
Oh, quiet. Quiet.
Watch me.
Yo, I wonder if that boy the ties where you make forward.
No, man.
Apps are bigger than that little youth, brother.
One thing we know, something right about this, and it must a human. It's not an animal do this.
I know no young lad, man. I first access would have been you can you know nothing about them things. Them things are bigger than him, brother.
One thing we want to know. Oh, them. No which part we are bringing it in.
Brother, remember bush with them, brother.
Auntie, bubbles! Boom!
I put my job on the line for you. Especially you, Winston.
Job?
Special Agent Angela Brissett.
Bubbles, you're police?
I want the three to listen to me. I know say tomorrow 12 o'clock, on a day ago, drop off some contraband in exchange for money. The youth them know which part of did I go plant the machine them. Them did I go lay away to no and ambush you no. And that would have been a bloodbath. I don't want to know how them know.
Dada, man.
Dada, I know that look there, you know. Leave it to we. But don't have to tell me everything.
Auntie, how you asking for them?
Bubbles, you don't know the Dan Dada's the man in farm, you know.
know what code that man Bubbles.
I know, ask me, I ask you to inform upon nobody, you know. But you see the 3 machine them I'm finding in the car, me not say nothing to my boss about it. So I'm literally a cover for you. Listen, you just need to cooperate with me and tell me which part of the drop did I go make.
Alright, Bubbles. We're gonna work with the program.
Wise decision.
Everybody say bartender.